If you're seeing er_address_unreachable in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly with a few simple troubleshooting steps. This error usually means Chrome can't reach the website because of a network issue, a bad connection, a VPN or proxy conflict, or a DNS problem on your computer. So if a page won't load and you keep getting this message, follow along and you should be able to get back online in just a few minutes. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. First, the simplest fix is to restart your router. Go ahead and turn off your modem or router completely. Wait about 30 seconds so the connection can fully reset, then turn it back on. This helps clear temporary glitches in your internet connection and can solve the issue right away. Once the router powers back on, give it a minute or two to reconnect, then try opening Chrome again and checking the website. If you still see the error, the next thing to do is check your internet connection. Make sure your device is actually connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and that the connection is working properly. If you're on a laptop, also check that airplane mode is turned off, because airplane mode can block all internet access and trigger connection errors in Chrome. You can also test whether other websites load normally. If nothing is loading, the problem may be with your network rather than Chrome itself. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs and proxy settings can sometimes block traffic to certain websites, or send your connection through a route that causes the err_add_unreachable message. If you have VPN software running, disable it temporarily and try the site again. If you use a proxy on Windows, make sure it's turned off in your network settings. Once that's done, refresh Chrome and see if the page loads correctly. If the error is still there, it's time to clear your DNS cache and reset your network sockets. This is one of the best fixes for browser and connection problems on Windows. To do that, open the Windows Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache on your computer, which can remove old or corrupted address information. After that, type net's Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the network sockets on your system and can fix deeper connection problems that affect Chrome. Once both commands are complete, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. After your PC restarts, open Google Chrome again and test the website that was showing the error. In many cases, one of these steps will completely fix ERA_address_unreachable and restore normal browsing. If it still doesn't work, you may need to check firewall settings, router DNS settings, or contact your internet provider. But for most users, restarting the router, checking the connection, disabling VPN or proxy, and resetting DNS and sockets will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.